Hello and welcome everyone to my channel Skanda Prasad. So this is yet another video and it's very important to all of you who are writing KCET this year, that is KCET 2020. This video will be again in English because I need to reach a wider audience and many people have requested. So this will be in English and I'll be mixing Kannada too, so that I'll be able to express myself in a better way. So both will be there, English and Kannada, and I'd like to express my opinions and of the and reply to some of the comments which have come, and it's not about any negative or positive comments, not who's supporting or not supporting me, etc. There is nothing. I don't take anything on my head seriously. It's just a reply and then answer to all of you through the video, because everything through the comments I can't explain in comments each and every single thing. So initially what I mean to say is whether or not KCET will be postponed or not. Obviously to such questions KCET postpone agata. So for those questions obviously I don't have answer, because I myself don't know. I'm hoping for the best. I personally want it to be postponed because the only reason is safety of students as well as the invigilators who will be there. Apart from that, there's no other reason. I'm not going to support anyone who says I'm not studied, I need more time to prepare, I've been procrastinating, that's why I need more holidays. I don't support such causes because I don't like that attitude. If anyone is there, I'm telling you, you're 100% wrong, and if it doesn't get postponed, you'll be in huge trouble. So the second thing is some people are telling they're in containment zone and we'll not be able to come and write KCET, etc. I know that's an issue, and that is one of the second reason that KCET must and should be postponed. Plus the other thing is JEE and NEET has been postponed, and diploma exam has also been postponed, which was there in end of July. Everything in the July has been postponed, and all the colleges and schools are shut till July 31st. So some people might say there is a chance of postponement of CET, but some people say that 10th board exams, that is SSLC, has been successfully conducted in the past 1 week and without much issues. But the thing is, cases will rise in next 20-25 days. So that is one more important thing. What I want specifically is to postpone, but in some cases I do agree that some people don't want it to be postponed, because once all this exam and things are once it gets done, so that you have a free mind. And I'm telling you, you can have a free mind now itself. Don't take too much pressure on yourself. Tumba tension ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು. Next most important thing is Twitter movement. Previous video ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. In that, hashtag postpone KCET and hashtag postpone KCET 2020 are the trending ones. Nenne ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, yesterday it was done, and tomorrow at 6 PM again I'm reminding you, for those who didn't watch the last video and coming here for this new video, tomorrow we are doing a mass Twitter tweet movement for hashtag postpone KCET and hashtag postpone KCET 2020. Do participate if you really wanted to, because you're concerned about health. For any other reason, I don't want you to get in. Please sit and study. So that is my major request. So I hope you understood my points here. And the other thing is, some are telling it will be relative. After JEE we don't want KCET, we need it before itself. That and all is your personal opinions. I do respect it. I'm okay with your opinions, so I'm not opposing anyone here, neither am I supporting any specific person. All I'm telling is, whatever happens, let it be for the best. And even if it happens, be prepared on July 30 and 31st. Some people are predicting, I just typed KCET 2020 postponed. Some other people have made random videos also telling that it won't be postponed. There's a less probability. Yes, I agree, there is less probability. Even sometimes I feel that SSLC was conducted, so this might also be a possibility. Andre ಇದು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ SSLC ಇದಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ KCET ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎರಡು ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that first notification comes to you itself. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.